Driving through South Buffalo, you'll still see the remnants of what last week's winter storm left behind. Dirty snow pushed to the edges of the road and tree branches, bent and dripping from days of melting ice. It's a small reminder, but also a warning, because right now another larger winter system is moving into western New York, bringing strong winds that could create new problems.
So we've been actively following this weather forecast well over the last week.
While ice is expected across other parts of the state, NYSEG says western New York's biggest threat isn't what's falling from the sky, but what could fall from above.
But the big thing here for the western New York community that we're keeping an eye on are those winds.
That's a concern for neighborhoods already dealing with persistent power outages.
Sometimes it was incredibly explainable. You know, we would have a winter storm and it would make sense. But oftentimes it was just this very small group of people. This small grid is, of 253 households that were without power.
We spoke with Dawn, who lives in West Seneca, where power lines thread their way through rows of dead and dying trees. She said she's lost power more than a dozen times since early 2023 because of falling branches and trees.
After this being a running joke with family and friends, I started to actually log the power outages. So there were many before that, and I finally said I should just write this down.
NYSEG sent out crews to survey that neighborhood after the Thanksgiving storm, and now they're bringing in extra crews, some from out of state, ahead of this week's winter storm.
In addition to using our internal crews, we've brought on an additional 170 contract crews that are going to be working on making sure that the power is restored.
NYSEG officials add that crews will be staged across the region and ready to respond quickly if outages happen. Giovanni Ligi, 7 News, Buffalo.